This is by far the biggest student meeting ever held with 1,000 of you. And would you believe it? We have 700 people waiting in the waiting room, and they cannot come in unless one of you drops out. All right. So this is exciting. Okay, let's quickly get on to the session. Everybody, please tell me if you can see my screen. Can you comment it on the chat if you can see my screen? Super. Somebody who is trying to draw on the screen, can you just avoid it? It is, if we are able to catch, we will be removing you from the meeting. All right, so a formal good evening to all the students out there. My request to everybody is, and my request to the team is, please do take all the screenshots of the students joining in. We really need to make each one of them believe that they are participating in a great exercise. My request to everybody out there is, please stop, and I'll be stopping the chat also. Also, there's a kid called Shaurya Singh. Can you please remove Shaurya Singh from the meeting right away and block him from any further events? The chat is now stopped. Okay. So welcome to India's most selective high school student internship, boys and girls. And I am going to tell you everything about this internship till the time we enter the round 2. So I welcome you all to round 1. All of you have really spent hours waiting for this day today. And I thank you for all the excitement that you have shown towards this internship. Before I start, I want you to understand that we all here at High School Moms and the entire community and the educator community which is backing us, we want you to be inspired. We really want you to understand this small little quote which is there on the web, on the presentation right now, which says, grind while they sleep, learn while they party, and then you live like they dream. And this is the motto and the mantra for us at High School Moms to ensure that all of you are able to realize your dreams of making it to the best of the universities and being successful and happy in life. The internship is brought to you by High School Moms, which you are already aware of, a parent and student community followed by almost 4 million parents and students in the country, and brought to you by International Alliance of Counselors and Educators, which has over 3,000 plus members, educators, university representatives, and counselors. Why you should take this opportunity seriously? A couple of reasons which are very important for you to understand. Most of us want to make it to the best of the universities. We want to end up getting scholarships, but we do not have enough opportunities to build a great profile. Even if the opportunity comes, fortunately, unfortunately, in most of the schools, the opportunity is given to only the top 1% of the students who are faring academically well, or who are very motivated, or who are in the best books of their teachers. And somehow most of us are left behind. With that thought in mind, I started working on an opportunity where I wanted each one of you to have equal opportunity to be able to build profile, learn from the faculty of the best of the universities, and add something of real value to your resume, to your CV. It's a rare opportunity for high school students because this kind of an opportunity does not come by. It will have selective acceptance. So only 250 of you will actually end up making it to the next round. It's a unique profile building opportunity, an opportunity which will give you not only the learnings, but will also allow you to do research and submit your business proposal so that if we like it at High School Moms and the jury likes it, you will be awarded with scholarships and several other awards. It's free, but it's definitely not easy. It will require you to spend hours of efforts to ensure that you are among the top 20, finally, top 10 then, and finally among the top 3. It's going to be a biggest differentiator for you for your university admissions, because not everybody will be able to make it through to all the rounds, and anybody who makes it to the top 250 will be given a certificate of participation in this internship. A great learning experience, like I said, from the university faculty as well as the industry. What are your advantages? One, like I said, university level learning. You will get to know what do they teach at university when it comes to business and entrepreneurship. You will also get to add an activity of real value, people, an activity of real value on your CV. You will be able to win several awards and scholarships. You will then have national and international recognition. International Alliance of Counselors and Educators is a pretty well-known organization among the universities and among the educators and among the schools. A certificate from that will carry a lot of value, and the certificate will also have mentions of all our university partners and our school partners. Not only that, you will be able to network with the best brains in this country, the students, boys and girls, who will be putting in hours of efforts. You'll be able to network with them and learn from them. So how many of you will get selected? A maximum of 250 will go to the next round. But I do have a surprise for each one of you who has joined in today. And for the people who have not been able to join because of the capacity of Zoom, right now Zoom is still holding on to 1,000. And I can still see about 700 people in the waiting room. So you guys are the ones who have taken the initiative of joining the session much before the starting time. And you are the lucky ones who are getting to listen to me live, launching this internship for you. So please make the best of it and ensure that you put such a good effort that I see most of you among the top 250 when we announce the names. This slide is very, very important for you. So if you are there on your laptops, if you're there on your mobiles, you really need to take a screenshot of this slide. Today, 9th of May, we started with our pre-orientation session. In the next slide, I will tell you the topic of the essay, which you have to submit latest by May 14th by 6 p.m. At 6 p.m. sharp, we will deactivate the link of submission. So if you do not submit it by 6 p.m., chances are you will never be able to submit and you'll never be able to make it to round 2. We will release the list of selected candidates, the top 250, on May 22nd, 2021 at 3 p.m. IST. The release will be done on our website, but most of you will only be able to get all the information on our Instagram handle. So first thing that you would want to do right away, and please, my request to everybody, all the 1,000 students who are listening to me right now, my request to all of you is keep your pens and paper ready. There will be several notes that you need to take so that you do not miss out. We will not be replying to any emails if you do not listen to this presentation carefully. So whatever I am covering in this presentation will not be clarified later, because I'm going to ensure that I make everything very clear to you during the course of the presentation. So please remember, a small pen is better than big memory, boys and girls. Please make your notes so that you do not have to ask us again. The list will be declared, like I said, on May 22nd. We will declare it on our Instagram handle. We will also declare it on our website. But you really need to follow highschoolmoms.community right now to get any further updates on Instagram. So our Instagram handle is called highschoolmoms.community. Please go ahead and follow it right away. The introductory session, finally for these top 250, will be held on May 25th between 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. So please make a note, block your calendars right away for May 25th, 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. for the introductory session. Finally, the internship will commence on May 30th with another welcome note to all these 250, where I'll be sharing further details about the internship and the agenda. The internship will culminate on June 12th. So from May 30th to June 12th, you will be attending 4 to 5 sessions, 3 by the universities, 1 possibly by an industry partner, and 1 by me. All the sessions are mandatory to be attended. We will take out the attendance, match the attendance for everybody across the sessions, see who has submitted the essay, and then only certificate of participations will be released. So if your attendance is not logged, we will not be considering you as a valid participant. So you have to ensure that you attend each and every session in this internship starting May 30th and even before that. There you go. Take the screenshot. That's the topic of the essay. Describe 3 challenges that you have faced during COVID-19 pandemic. Define its impact on all aspects of your life, personal, social, and academic. Explain how you steered through those challenges with innovative solutions. Some tips that I want to give to you. Personalize your essay, write your personal examples, correct structural and grammatical errors before submission. So another suggestion here that I can give you is, please go ahead and use Grammarly as a tool, which will allow you to correct your structural and grammatical errors. Adhere to the essay limit of 200 words. Do not go beyond 200. For some of you, where the confusion will be, what if I write 210 or what if I write 180? So when I say 200, you are allowed plus minus 20 words. So anything between 180 to 220 is acceptable. Anything beyond 220 will not be acceptable. Avoid repetition or verbosity. So do not make the same statement in the essay again and again. Clarity of thought and expression is important. Also, any kind of plagiarism will expel you from the competition. So for those of you who understand plagiarism, very good. For those of you who do not, please do not copy anything from internet, because we have a software in place where we will run each and every essay and the software will tell us if you have picked up anything from the internet. I'll repeat once again the topic of the essay for your better understanding. Describe 3 challenges that you have faced during the COVID-19 pandemic. Define its impacts on all aspects of your life, personal, social, and academic. Explain how you steered through those challenges with innovative solutions. I'm giving you 30 seconds to take screenshots. I'm also giving you 30 seconds to write down the topic should you require to. And your time starts now. The chat is enabled. Please write if you have already taken the topic of the essay. Please write yes. Wonderful. So we'll go next, and I'm stopping the chat now. What will you earn in terms of awards, rewards, and certificates? The top 250 selected will get a certificate of participation on successful completion and attending of all sessions. Please remember, boys and girls, attendance to all sessions are mandatory. You miss out on one, you miss out on the entire internship. Top 20 finally will be selected, who will go in the final cohort of top 20. They will be issued certificate of merit on successful completion and attending of all sessions. Then we will take out top 10 who will get certificate of excellence and a gift mentioning the top 10 status on your certificate, again subject to successful completion and attending of all sessions. Top 3 finally will get selected as winners. They will get winning certificates, awards on successful completion and attending of all sessions. So from today to get into top 250, I'll repeat once again, you need to write an essay of 200 words on the topic given to you regarding impact on your personal, social, and academic life due to COVID-19 and how you steered through those challenges through innovative solutions. So that's the topic. Use personal examples, remove verbosity, avoid structural and grammatical errors, use Grammarly if required, do not repeat the same idea, and do not go beyond the word limit prescribed, which is 200 words. Once you submit those essays, on May 22nd, we'll release the list on our Instagram handle of top 250 kids. These top 250 kids then will be, out of these top 250 kids, everybody will attend the internship program. And on 25th, we will tell you the topic of your next essay, which you have to submit at the end of the university lectures. You will submit that, and on the basis of that, we will select top 20. Further details will be shared in the next session. What will the winners get? So the first winner will get scholarship and award by the universities, certificate and an Apple iPad. The second winner will get scholarship and award by the universities, certificate and Sony wireless headphones. And the third winner will get scholarship and award by the universities, certificate, and an Apple HomePod. For your 200-word essay, these are the 4 parameters that we have identified in our rubrics. We will judge you on relevance and creativity. We will judge you on your organization of thoughts and clarity of ideas. We will also judge you on your learning ability. If you have done something special during COVID, taken some courses, done some online programs, go ahead. This is your chance to tell us more about it. And we will judge you on your language skills. How well do you write English? And are you able to communicate your thoughts to us nicely? 3 important links will be shared during the course of this presentation. These links will be sent to you on your emails as well. And we will definitely post these links through to the selected candidates also later on their WhatsApp. So all of you will get it on your email, but it is important that you guys take screenshots or maybe take a note of the link right away. And I will request my team here, the moment I announce, please ensure that you paste the link even in the chat. I'm opening the chat once more for all the students. Please tell me with a big Y or a big N if everything has been clear so far. Give me a big Y. So most of you have written yes. I presume that everybody is clear on the essay, the word limit. And now I will share the links. The chat is being disabled right now. This is your link 1. Either you can use the QR code or you can just quickly type https:// //bit.ly bit.ly/2 Roger 45 Mike Foxtrot Singapore. So that's the link for your submission of your essay. The link is open from today to May 14th, 6 p.m. This is the link you have to submit your 200-word essay on. I'll give you 30 seconds right now to take the screenshots or make note of the link. My request to the team is please make a note if you are able to figure out who is scribbling onto the screen and ensure that that person is debarred from High School Moms. All right. Somebody, if you've missed out, I'm giving you the screen again. Also, please understand, boys and girls, you can only make one submission. So if you make more than one submission, we will have to remove one of the entries and we will not ask you which entry needs to be removed. So duplicate entries will not be allowed either which ways. So please ensure that you only make one submission. Okay, giving you the access to chat. Now, how many of you are excited about the surprise? Chat is enabled now. How many of you are excited about the surprise? Wow, the chat just doesn't seem to stop at my end. Every time I ask you to type something, boys and girls, you are just phenomenal. It just doesn't seem to stop. And the good part is we are still holding on to 1,000. None of you have dropped out. None of you have dropped out. And this is going super awesome. All right. And I wish you all the best for the round 1 of internship competition. I'll definitely allow some of you to ask me questions at the end of this session. Sit back and relax. Chat is being disabled now. Okay. Today, we are launching India's biggest high school students club, a club that will allow you to be a part of your own tribe, a club that will be run by you, managed by you, conceptualized by you, so much so that we have not even named the club so far, because I want that everything from scratch should be done by you. So even the name of the club will be decided through a competition where all of you will give me your entries, and whichever entry is selected, we will ensure that for the rest of the life of High School Moms Club till eternity, your name is mentioned as the person who has given a name and given an identity to this club on our website, along with an award and a certificate. You will be able to join your own league in this club, meet people of varied interests. This club will be inclusive and diverse. We will not differentiate between children from boards, from ethnicity, caste, creed, gender, nationality. We will ensure that we will make world a much better place, a place which you and me dream of. And what better, you guys will be able to run this massive organization all by yourself through various committees, becoming members, volunteers, and also the post holders. You will be able to network with the brightest boys and girls from across the country, engage with industry leaders, corporates, and leading universities, attend their lectures, learn from them, manage the various functions of the club. You will be a part of the student council, which will have president, vice president, general secretary, and various committees, which will have directors, secretaries, and volunteers. You will run and manage people, resources, and events for the club. Various committees to begin with will be the academic committee, the outreach committee, community service committee, social media committee for kids who are, really motivated to do something for the society. You will be welcome to join the community service club. For kids who want to increase the expanse and the reach of this club, take it international or take it to your schools, you will be a part of the outreach club. The kids who intend to teach other kids or who intend to bring the best of the university professors to teach the kids will be a part of the academic club. Kids who are interested in organizing events, MUNs, your own TEDx, you'll be part of the event club, event committee. Social media, people with creative ideas, they have knowledge of Instagram and Facebook and Snapchat. You'll be there in the social media committee. Editorial, kids who can write well, can express their ideas in the form of editorials, will be a part of the editorial. IT and web app, there'll be a committee of people who are pseudo intellectuals, the techies. So I'm sure among 1,000 of you, we have several techies, okay? And you will be a part of the tech club, tech committee. Design and graphics, people who are good with graphics and animation, you will be a part of this club. Video production, and many more. So we will be adding more committees inside this club as and when we are able to first formulate the student council. I'm enabling the chat right now for you to tell me, out of these committees, which one would you want to be a part of? Just quickly type it out in the chat. Chat is enabled now. Wow. Wow, I really like it. I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy looking at your motivation. I can't tell you, it makes me feel awesome that my country is in the hands of these young, bright kids and will definitely make the world a better place. Thank you so very much. I'm stopping the chat for now. And I have to ask you one more question. Out of you, how many of you think you are really competent with IT, web app, coding? Let's see it right now in the chat. And the chat is getting enabled now. Just write coding if you are, or maybe you can write super, super, super. So there will be a committee for each one of you to be a part of. We will in future start committee on psychology and individual career related areas as well. And as and when we start those, we will definitely give you an opportunity to be a part of that particular committee. We will hold interviews for all the top posts which were mentioned in the previous slide. There will be a form circulated later on in the first week of June, where we will want you to apply for a particular post with your previous experience. You can also tell us if you have experience, and we will be able to honor that experience and give you a similar role if you have experienced it in your school or any other organization. You will be able to do paid internships in your club, build your tribe, bring people, connect with international students, conduct your own TEDx and other events, work for a cause, and we will support you in your social cause that you want to work for, do fundraisers, community service. You will be able to attend professional development workshops by academicians, educators, and industry leaders. You will be able to organize competitions for the students of this country, earn awards and accolades, and get recognized for the work you do. Boys and girls, I can assure you, you will not get a better opportunity for building your profile than the internship that you are part of today and then the student club. So go out there and make the most of it. So are you ready? The chat is open now to know how you can apply to this club. Okay. So let me make some announcements here. For the first 500 approved applicants to the club membership will be free. So we will be taking in close to about 1,000 applications. You know the excitement. The Zoom is still at 1,000. 1,000 odd students are already waiting in the waiting room. You know the excitement. So you cannot afford to let your socks down. You need to be really excited and motivated to take the opportunity of becoming a lifetime free member of this club. First 500, like I said, approved applicants will be given free membership. Later on, every applicant who will be approved will have to pay to become a part of the club. It'll be very reasonable fee, which we will be able to announce in our next club meeting. So what you'll have to do, I will show you a badge of High School Mom Student Ambassador. Take a screenshot of this slide. You will have to put that badge on your Instagram, tag highschoolmoms.community, tag 10 of your friends. There'll be a text and hashtag given to you. You have to put the same caption, use the same hashtags, take the screenshot and upload on the link which I'm going to share now. I'm giving you 30 seconds to take a screenshot of this slide and make a note of how you can apply to become a free member, a lifetime free member of this club. You will be shown a badge of High School Mom Student Ambassador. You have to put that badge on your Instagram, tag highschoolmoms.community, tag 10 of your friends, put the text and hashtag provided to you by us, take a screenshot and upload it into your club membership application form. For those of you who are asking that what if we do not have Instagram, do not worry. You can use your parents' Instagram and do the same stuff. So you'll have to be on the Instagram. Like I said, boys and girls, please understand, ignorance of law is no excuse. So if you jump a red light and you say, I did not see it. If you jump a red light and say, I did not know jumping red light is a crime, it does not mean you will not be fined. So if you're not there on Instagram, there's nothing much that I'll be able to do. I will show you, for those who are asking me to repeat again, I will show you the badge that you have to put on your Instagram post, tag highschoolmoms.community, tag 10 of your friends, put the caption provided to you by us and hashtags, take the screenshot and upload it on the membership application form. This is your badge. I am stopping the screen share for a second so that the screen is fresh and you can take a screenshot if you want. This is your badge. Take a screenshot. This badge, you can also download it from a link which I'm going to give you now. That link also has your badge and the text that you have to put it into the caption, including the hashtags that you have to put it into the below the caption. Please remember, you have to tag highschoolmoms.community and tag 10 of your friends and take the screenshot and send it to us on your application form. The application form is also pretty lengthy because, like I said, this club is not for everybody. You will apply for the membership of the club, but we will approve or reject your membership. And that's why we have kept a lengthy form so that we are able to bring in only and only the motivated, the best of the lot, really serious students who want to make a difference to the world, who want to make a difference to the society, who want to make a difference to their own lives, and who want to make a difference to the lives of their fellow students across the globe. That's the screen you can use. The QR code will take you to the same link. The link will allow you to download both the badge as well as the caption text. And like I said, you need to put the badge on your Instagram or your parents' Instagram. Mention the caption, mention the hashtags, tag highschoolmoms.community and 10 of your friends. Giving you 30 seconds right now to make a note of the link. Can I request my team to put the link into the chat now? All right. The next screen is your application to the free membership of High School's Student Club. You have to go to hsmstudent.club. First 500 approved applications join free, like I said. The approval will depend on how carefully and diligently you fill the form and you upload that screenshot. Any application which is half complete or incomplete will be rejected without any clarification asked. So please ensure that all of you go ahead and fill your student club application form immediately after this session is over, simply because we only are going to admit first 500 absolutely free for the rest of your life. So you will become lifetime members of High School Moms Student Club. Go to www.hsmstudent.club. There are 3 links there. One for grade 10 students, one for grade 11 students, and one for grade 12 students. Select your particular class. For those who have still not appeared for grade 10 boards, please treat yourself into grade 11. For those who are passing out of grade 12 this year, you can write grade 12. You will also have to write your graduation year. By graduation year, what I mean is the year in which you will be writing your 12th boards. So if you have written your 12th boards in 2021, you will select 2021. But if you have entered 12th this year, that means you are writing your boards or final IBDP exam in 2022. So you will select 22. Before I open the house for questions and queries, my parting words. Submit your round 1 essay by May 14th, 6 p.m. Top 250 list declaration will happen on May 22nd, 3 p.m. We'll do that on our Instagram handle. We'll also release it on our website. Be regular to attend all the sessions, because if you miss out on even one session, you will not be treated as a participant to the internship. Apply to the student club today itself, because the way the Zoom is there, and right now Whoever is dropping out, I'm not even looking at how many people are there in the waiting room and not even allowing them. So because the presentation is almost over. So looking at the scheme of things, I presume that maybe tomorrow will be too late for you to apply to become the first 500 members of India's biggest high school club, a club which will be run by you, which will be for you and for your folks and peers. With that, I'm ending my presentation and opening the session for questions and discussions. I will only take those students' questions who are there with their cameras on. So I'll keep on flipping my screen because my screen is only allowing about 16 of you at one go. So I'll be flipping my screen and randomly picking people and asking you to unmute. Once you are done, my request to you will be, please mute yourself. When you ask me a question, you will have to first introduce yourself, tell your class. So please make a note. Tell your name, tell your class, the school and the city, and then ask me your question. Your name, your class, your school, and the city you're coming from, and then you ask me your question. Okay, my first question is to Rehan Singh. Rehan, go ahead and unmute yourself.
Hi, sir.
Hi, Rehan. Please
Good evening.
introduce yourself for everybody.
My name's Raihan. I'm in Shivnadar School, Gurgaon. I'm studying economics with computer science, maths, English, and business studies. My question to you is,
Rehan,
what are the universities? Yes,
which class are you from?
12th. I just came in 12th.
Wonderful.
So, my question is, what are the universities that you'll suggest for uh, a person who's doing who wants to do a major in economics and minors in computer science?
All right. So I am answering that question, but my request to everybody is that uh, please do not ask me any career counseling related.
Oh, okay. My bad, sir.
This internship. This isn't Ryan. Ryan. So what I can do is, beta, you have access to me. You
Yes,
can
yes.
ask me your questions separately, and I promise I'll answer.
Yeah. Should
Let's
I switch my question?
Yes, please switch your question.
So my other question will be, what's the leadership post for the club, and how do we get in?
Okay. So around 1st of June, out of the first 500 who will apply and get accepted, we will do a Zoom meet with those 500 kids. We will circulate a form on the basis of your class and your previous experience and your interest. You will be able to apply for various posts. So let's assume that you are in grade 11 or grade 12. The big leadership posts will be open for students of grade 11 and 12. We will not differentiate between 11 and 12. As for us, both of them are senior roles. So it is very much possible that the president of the club is from grade 11 and the vice president is from grade 12. Here, the club will ensure that the deserving gets the opportunity, not the class or the board or the city or the school. We got to avoid all that, right? That's what we want to build. That's what we want to create, right? That ability should speak. So we will be doing a cohort around 1st of June. We just have to ensure that it does not clash with your internship, and you will be given a form. That form will ask you about your previous experience of managing various clubs or societies in your school, or why do you think you should be selected for a particular post. The selected ones will then be called for an interview, and a team will select the president, the vice president, the general secretary, the secretary, and the director, and the secretaries and the volunteers for various committees. The position will be open for a period of one whole year. Every 1 quarter, there'll be an appraisal of the kind of work you do. And if you do not work well, you will be asked to vacate the post. Right, Rahan?
Yes. Okay.
All right. Thank
That
you.
answers my question. Thank you, sir.
All right. Next question can come from Snigdha Singh. So I'll take one boy, one girl. All right. Snigdha, I've asked you to unmute yourself, beta. Please keep your question. Tell me your name, class, school, city, and then ask your question.
Okay, hello sir. So my name is Nikta Singh. I'm from Mumbai and I am studying in grade 11th. So my question
Where are you
is
from, Snigdha?
ACS for Atomic Energy Central School.
Okay.
Yeah. So my question is that the internship and the club will not clash, right? They would be at different times.
The internship and the club will definitely not clash. Both of them are very separate activities. The club has just been launched today. We will take time for conceptualizing the next meeting. We will not keep anything at a clashing time. We will ensure that we give you guys enough notice in advance to plan your calendars well for an upcoming meeting. Does that answer your question, Snigdha?
Yeah, sir. And one more thing, you mentioned that you will be tying up with some universities, right? So like what universities are they going to be, and like what is the whole system?
Okay, so you have to understand, Snigdha, if the question is regarding internships, we have already partnered with two great universities for our internship. One is an international university and one is an Indian university. And they are such names that you guys really want to apply every time to them. We are in discussions with more universities right now. Several universities have expressed their interest, but we will only make the announcement on the names of the universities to the top 250 at the time of next session. So we cannot make the announcement right now. For the club also will have partnerships with various universities, and the club will also have partnership with various industries to get internships and paid internships for students like you or your friends who are members of this club. But since this club will be absolutely exclusive, the application will be accepted or rejected by us, even if it is a paid member, because the membership fees is only to ensure that there is seriousness in that student. It is not a revenue generation exercise. High school moms want to do everything absolutely at rock bottom cost for you guys. So it is only to ensure seriousness. Even then, people will only be accepted once they are approved. So it will be approved and selected members. And there, all the industry tie-ups and university tie-ups will only happen after close consultation with our student council and committees. So that decision will not be taken by me alone, because if I take the decisions, then I do not be true. I will not be true to my club. My club is supposed to be a club where students will take the decisions and I will only mentor them. I will only tell them whether you're going right or whether you're going wrong, right? Okay.
Yeah, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, beta. Okay. The next would be Krishnam Singhania. You have a question, beta. Please go ahead and ask. I'm unmuting you. Unmuting you. Go ahead and ask your question, beta.
Hi, sir. My name is Krishnam Singh and I'm from Ranchi.
Which school, which class, beta?
So I study in the Sindhya School, Gwalior, and I'm currently in grade 12.
Wonderful. Please tell me what's your question, Krishna.
So I wanted to know that what do we need to mention in the essay?
So I made it very clear. The
Yes, sir.
essay is about the impact of COVID-19 on, is that the only question, beta? Because I'll have to mute you now.
Yes, sir.
So Krishnam, you asked a very valid question, and for the betterment of all 1,000 students in the room right now, the essay, the round one essay is a 200-word essay. Right now, let's focus only on round one. Round 2 essay details will be given to you later on. In round 1, you have to write a 200-word essay. The word limit can be between 180 to 220. So plus minus 20 words is fine. Anything below or over that will get you rejected. The essay topic is COVID-19 and its impact on you, your personal, academic, and social life. The essay is also supposed to allow you to talk about how you steered through the challenges thrown by COVID-19 in your personal, social, and academic life through innovative solutions. 200 words. The link has already been shown to you. It has already been put into the chat, and you can submit it till 6 p.m. on May 14th, when we will deactivate the link and you'll not be able to submit it post that. All right. Now, I will like to I'll go to another screen. It's an opportunity for a girl, and then we'll come back to boys. Gloria Gosain, you are next. I've asked to unmute you, Peter.
Good evening, sir. I'm Gloria Gusain and I'm from Jalandhar, Cambridge International School, and I'm in 11th standard right now.
Go ahead, ask your question.
I was just filling out the application form and they're asking for the principal's email address. So I just wanted to know we can fill in the school's email address or the personal principal.
So you are filling up the form for the club, beta?
Yeah, yes, sir.
You will have to give your principal's email address because we might want to check whether you are actually a student of that school or not. Please note, whoever puts in wrong details will be debarred from any future activities of the club. So please go ahead and fill the email address that you have with the best of your knowledge. Should your school principal, though it is not possible that your principal does not have an email ID, but if you do not have, then you can fill in the school's email ID. Is that okay?
Yeah, thank you so much, sir.
All right. Okay. Next should be a boy. Let's see. Okay, my screen flipped. I already decided the name. My screen flipped. Okay. Okay, let's go to, I can't find that gentleman, bad luck. Okay, let's see. Okay, I can find him. Fazal Muhammad Ali, you are up next, beta. I was searching for you all over and now you've gone again. Where are you? This is difficult. Okay, I can see you now. I've asked you to unmute, beta. Introduce yourself and ask your question.
Hello, sir.
Hi.
So I'm Fazal Muhammad Ali, and I'm from Lucknow, and I am studying in St. Francis College in class 11.
Okay.
So I had a doubt about the writing of essay. So we are writing, like typing it on a computer, and we'll be attaching the PDF file, right?
Yes. So a very valid question. Is that the only question, Fazal?
Yes, and the second one is a request.
Ask me.
So if I can be privileged to design a logo for the club, because I do logo designing.
Go ahead, Fazal. Design a logo, but to design a logo, we need to get a name first.
Yes.
So we'll have to open, but you're more than welcome to be a part of the logo designing committee. And we'll definitely, I'll keep it in mind. If I can request my team to take a note of this, Fazal Muhammad Ali from Lucknow has expressed his interest to design the logo. Please take out his details and ensure that his motivation is honored well by making him a part of that team. All right. So to answer the question, Fazal, a very valid question. The write-up has to be typed. It cannot be handwritten. It can be in the Word format or PDF format, and you have to upload it onto the link. I'll repeat, the write-up has to be either on Word or it has to be on the PDF, and you can upload it, both Word and PDF documents. The link will allow you to upload even an image, but please do not do that, because if you do that, we will reject your entry. It is very difficult for us to take the printouts of images. So please upload in the essay, please upload the Word document and the PDF only. In the student club, the screenshot can be an image. Okay. Next one is Sonal Gupta.
Hello, sir. Good evening, everyone. So I'm Sonal Gupta and I'm in class 12 and I'm from Gurgaon and Delhi Public School Sector 45. So my question to you is that what all areas you will be looking out in our applications to make us stand out for the student club?
So the student club application form is pretty comprehensive, Sonal. A very valid question. For the first 500, we are looking at the authenticity of the data that you provide about you, about your school, about your teacher reference. We are asking for a teacher reference, a principal name, email ID, counselor name, email ID if your school has a counselor. We are looking at motivators, we are looking at leaders, we are looking at initiators, we are looking at people who want to make a difference. So if you have done certain activities in the school, you have been member, part, volunteer of any club, society, that will definitely make your application stand out. You can also mention some ideas about your club in your application. And if we like the ideas, that's also can make your application stand out. More or less, give us as much information as possible, as early as possible, because remember, first 500 approved, it is. Sonal, does that answer your question, beta? Awesome. Okay, let's go to a boy now. Okay, I know all of you have raised your hands, but if somebody is motivated, can also wave, okay? Let's make it interesting, guys. Why are you so sad and out? And okay, use the chat. Use the chat and tell me if you're enjoying this. Are you enjoying being a part of an exercise which you never thought could actually happen? Imagine 1,000 students from across the country in one classroom. Give me your excitement, guys. Okay, give me a smiley, give me a thumbs up. I mean, why are you so sad that you're writing only in the chat? Smileys, thumbs up, maybe a dishum to me if you're not enjoying it. Come on, it's okay. Have you not thrown chalks ever? Okay, if you have thrown chalks, just write throwing chalk on you and I'll catch it. Okay, I'll definitely catch it. Okay, right. We have to go to a boy and we will pick Aryan Vagmare.
Hello, sir. Hello, everybody. My name is Aryan Vagmare. I'm from Pune. I study in SNBP International School. I'm from 11th standard. So my question is that I have not entered a college yet, and and my 10th is over almost. And so, should I include my school name into the school name and school details into the form, or what?
Very valid question, Aryan, and thank you so much for asking, beta. For everybody who is changing the school and everybody who's moving to junior college, please mention your school name, school principal's email ID, and school counselor's email ID. All right. You do not have to worry if you're not clear about your next school or junior college. Okay. We are looking at your details of your last institution that you have attended. But while you're mentioning your class, you have to mention your current grade. You cannot mention your last grade. While you're mentioning your percentage, you have to mention your last year percentage, we are not looking at, because the academic year has just started, so you do not have a current percentage. Does that answer your question, Aryan?
Yes, I also have one more question. That do we have to post the logo that you have given us, or do we have to put it on the story on Instagram?
You have to post, you have to put it on your story, tag high school moms, and tag 10 of your friends. All right. So it is a story thingy.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
You can do both. Actually, my team is writing to me that they have allowed both. So you can do both a post as well as you can do the story.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Next. Ustad Anand. Go ahead, beta.
Hello, good evening, sir, and to everybody out here. I am Ustad Anand and I am from Chandigarh and I study in Carmel Convent School. I am currently in grade 12, the batch that has suffered the most, and I've taken up commerce.
Okay.
So, sir, I wanted to ask you regarding the essay that we were talking about. So, do we have to write 3 challenges we faced, or we have to write 1 challenge and explain the 3 components, like the personal, social, or what
Okay.
exactly?
So that is up to your creativity. If you remember, in my rubrics, we said organization, clarity, creativity. We have left it to you. So you can write 3 challenges. You can write 1 challenge and 3 different impacts. You can choose your own format beta for that.
All right, sir. And regarding the club, so since I've already been part of a lot of social service activities and I started my own thing also during the lockdown, so I'll be really interested if I could give a name to the club.
So go ahead and come up with a name to the club and let us know. The easiest way is, if you're giving a name to the club, though we will open this competition around the 1st of June, but if you have an idea before that, give a name to the club and write us an email on contact@hsmconclave.com.
So could you put the link on the chat box?
I can do that. Can I request Sagar to put the email ID, contact email ID? Subject line should be name to the club. Subject line should be name to the club, right? So just remember that and we will figure it out.
So the name can be generic, right? We're not looking at something quite specific, like it could be anything.
It has to be your creativity, beta.
All right.
Please mute yourself.
Thank you, sir.
Next question. I will only take questions of students on the camera, so please remember that. Okay. Okay, first a boy, and then we can have a girl. Raise your hands, guys. Why are you sitting? Raise your hands. Let's see. Okay, let's go through Suryansh Dubey.
Yes, sir. Thanks, sir.
Introduce.
Sir, I was asking that for the Instagram story and the post you told, so we have to write the Google Drive link given to us. We have to write that and post the logo.
No. So you have to first post the student ambassador badge, the Google Drive link that we have given. You will download the image of student ambassador badge, put that on the story or the post. There is also a text given in the Google Drive. Copy that text in the caption of Instagram in the post and use the hashtags provided. Tag highschoolmoms.community and tag 10 of your friends. Simple. You cannot put the link of the Google Drive. It does not help. Please mute yourself.
And how would the club be working? Like, I'm in grade 10 and looking for different clubs for starting. So, sir, how would be the club working?
So for clubs, beta, the announcement will be done when we do a specific session on the club. I am not taking, I will not be able to go into the details about how the club will function. So you'll have to be a little patient. Right now, today we have just launched the club. So be excited and go ahead and apply for it.
Okay, sir. Sir, I was also asking that, sir, the 250 students which would be selected for the internship, are permanent in club, or the 500 would be different?
They are different, beta. Internship is different. Membership to the club is different. There is no overlap. It is quite possible a student is a part of the internship and not a part of the club. It is quite possible a student is part of the club, but is thrown out of the internship. Internship, we are looking at that essay of 200 words to judge you. And in club, we are looking at your application form. Two different things.
Okay, sir. So I would be happy to be part of events group and video editing.
I am equally excited for having all of you. Let's wait for the selections to happen. Okay. Raise your hands quickly again. Let's see. Raise your hands. Okay. Krita Gupta. Go ahead.
Hello, sir.
Hi, Krita. Please introduce yourself. Which school, which class, which city, and then ask your question.
Hi, everyone. My name is Krita. I live in Noida and I'm a 10th grade student and I study in the Millennium School, Noida. So, sir, am I allowed to ask 2 questions?
Please go ahead and ask 2 questions, beta.
Okay, so my very first question is, what are the parameters to be a leader of the club? Like, as you said, there are different positions open, like student body head and the director. So what are the parameters for a student to be like in that position?
So, like I said, for a student to be in any of the responsibility roles of the club and not being just a member, though the members will enjoy all the benefits as the leaders of the club, but the leaders of the club will always be leaders of the club because their name, their email, their photograph will be plastered and they will get certificates and everything. So the parameters will be, like I said, your motivation, your leadership skills, your ability to make a difference. And all this will be judged when we open the application form to the post. We will ask you relevant questions. And on the basis of that, we will be calling you for the interview. If you're able to impress the jury in the interview, you will be selected for a particular role. However, the application to various posts will ask you to minimum choose 2 to 3 posts, because we would want to see what is your first choice, second choice, and third choice. It is quite possible when we feel that if you are not suitable for the first choice, we might want you for the second or the third one. So that discretion will remain with high school moms, beta. Okay.
Yes, so that was pretty clear. Thank you so much.
Beta, please mute yourself. All right. Last few questions is what I will take. And I am now trying to bring a boy to ask me a question. Let's see. Let's go a little further, give opportunity to others. Manas Mehta. Okay, Manas, where did you go? Go ahead and unmute yourself, beta.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening, Manas. Which school, which city, which class?
So I'm from Center Point School, Nagpur, and I'm in grade 12 right now.
Okay. Ask your question.
Okay, so my question was, yeah, I was just filling up the form for the club, and so my question was that actually I changed my school for grade 11, and the thing is, in the last year we couldn't do a lot of extracurricular activities and also didn't have a lot of contact with our teachers. But before that, till I was in 10th, I had a lot of extracurricular activities, and a lot of teachers from that school have been in contact with me. So is it okay if I give their contact details in the form? Because they'll be able to give you a better idea about.
No, beta. So you'll have to give the contact details of the current school, because what we need to verify from the contact details, if required, is are you a valid student there? Yes or no, right? Regarding your extracurriculars, if you have not been able to do any extracurriculars last year, some of you must have still been able to do something. And these are the motivated ones who would have done something online, maybe an online MUN, maybe an online speech and debate.
Yes, I've done extracurricular activities. It's just that they are not aware about it because
No
they
worries.
we couldn't meet them.
No worries. So please mention whatever you have done, and the details have to be of the current school. All right.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. Let's go and take a girl now. Rishita Modi. Where did you go? Okay. Go ahead and unmute yourself, beta.
Hello, sir. My name is Rishita Modi. I'm from Mumbai. I study in the 12th grade at Jamnabai Nursery School. I've taken commerce. So my question was for the internship or for the club. What if it clashes with our school timings? So like, how do we go about that?
Okay. So very valid question, Rishita. Can you please mute that? Is that the only question, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you mute yourself, please?
Thank you, sir.
All right, a very valid question by Rishita Modi of Jamnabai Nursery School from Mumbai. We will ensure that your internship timings are not clashing with the school. All the internship sessions will be held between 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. in the evening, not beyond that. It is possible that it might clash with your other activities, maybe your tuition classes or something like that, where we will not be able to help. But it will definitely not clash with your school. And like I said, in 2 weeks, starting from 30th of May to 12th of June, it will just be 4 to 5 sessions. Rest, you'll be working on your own research at your own convenience, and you just have to submit it on time. So for internship, it's taken care of, and I hope my answer is clear. Give me a nod if it is clear, Rishita. All right. For the clubs, most of the meetings will be held either in the evening hours or on the weekends. So we will ensure that it still does not clash with your school timings. Does that answer your question, Rishita? Give me a nod. Perfect. Okay. One more boy. Okay. Arsh Rungta, you've been trying for a long time. Go ahead, beta.
Good evening, sir. I'm Arsh Rungta from Jaipur. I study in Jayashree Periwal Global School in grade 10.
Okay.
And so my first question was like, is vocabulary a criteria for the essay, or is it just how we convey our thoughts?
Language is definitely a criteria, but I definitely do not want you guys to open Oxford Dictionary and start looking at words. I want you to be natural, use good language. Just very deep and high vocabulary is not what we are looking at. So we're looking at good grammar, good structure, and clarity of thought. Very clear. Does that answer your question? You want to ask one more? Okay, go ahead, ask.
Sir, it's not a question, like it's a request. Like MUN can be made a separate club.
MUN can be made a separate club. We will not make any separate club. Arsh, whatever has to be done under the umbrella of the bigger club. We can have various committees and events, but a great idea. Thank you so much for thinking about it. Vanshika Sahani, you are next. Go ahead, introduce yourself, beta.
Hello, sir. I'm Vanshika and I'm from Carmen Convent School, Delhi.
Okay.
Sir, I had a question, like in the form of the club, they are asked to mention your friend's email ID and number. So the number I can mention, but the email ID I don't have. So
you have to take it. You will have to take it. Again, the data that we are asking you to fill is for us to verify that whether that student is an authentic student or not. And you need to understand, it's your club. You do not want anybody and everybody to be a part of this club, right? Do you agree with me? Yes or no? Give me in the chat. If you agree with me, just type a yes. If you disagree, type a no. We do not want anybody and everybody to become a part of the club. we want to ensure that this club remains absolutely exclusive. So I am looking at about 10,000 students from a country of 1.3 billion. That's how exclusive I will be, right? And we are starting with only 500. So if you do not have the details, I'm sorry, you'll have to figure out somebody else. But you'll have to mention people with all the relevant details. Otherwise, the application, an incomplete application, will get rejected. Okay, one boy. One boy. Okay, let's see. Where did he go? I was just about to. Tarj Vaishnav, you are up next, beta.
Hello, sir. This is Tarj Vaishnav from Poda World School, Vadodara.
Okay.
And my question is how the events like TED will work. As I have been a part of TED 2 years ago, and still I'm a part of TED Club. So how events like TEDx will happen? Thank you.
Okay, wonderful question. So Tarj, if you have been a part of TED, then you know it. When you organize a TEDx Youth, which is for the high school students, you have to apply for a license with TEDx. So the TEDx committee within the club will then apply for a license under the guidance of a teacher or a mentor. In this case, let's say hypothetically, I will be your mentor. I will help you fill up the TEDx application form. In current situation, since we cannot do the TEDx Youth in person, we will do it virtually. But the day COVID settles down, this club will also host in-person events. So that's how it will work better. Does that answer your question? Wonderful. Okay, one more girl. Let's see. Okay, I need to give opportunity to everybody. So whoever has raised hands, I'm just trying to scroll through. Okay, wave your hands because there are so many raised hands of Zoom. You wave your hands and I will be able to. Muskan Agarwal, you're next, beta.
A very good evening, sir. I am Muskan Agrawal from Nagpur. I study at Centerpoint School, Vardhaman Nagar. So my question to you is, like you said, various parameters like psychology and stuff will be added once the club is started. So what will be the basic parameters we'll be starting with?
So like I said, we are, the finer details will be shared in the next meeting once we have the first 500 ready, because that's when we want to initiate the discussion. Please understand, boys and girls, like I said again, this club is not mine. This is your club. How do you expect me to take all the decisions myself? And that's why, while I have a broader idea, there are a lot of notes around me. If I actually, okay, let me do this for you, okay? If I actually show how my cabin is looking, you will understand. There are scribblings here. There are scribblings on this wall. There are scribblings on that. There are scribblings there. There are post-its there. I have been crazily working for all of you to identify what all this club can do and where will the money come from to fund it, okay? Just that I have broader ideas. I have not taken finer decisions, but to give you some ideas, there will be definitely an IT and tech club, tech committee. There will be a community service committee, which will drive the community service things. There'll be an event. There'll be an academic. We'll be starting with broader academic, and then we will have subdivisions: psychology and economics, sciences, medicine and tech. So then we will have subdivision. So right now we have identified 7-8 broader categories, and then we can slowly and steadily, once we grow, once we have our presidents and the vice presidents and the general secretaries, then we can take it forward. Does that answer your question, beta? Thank you. Okay. All right, guys, I will not be able to take any more questions, but it was wonderful talking to all of you. Please go ahead, apply for the club today. please go ahead, write a fabulous essay of 200 words and upload it. For the sake of the students here, I am again asking my team to post all the 3 links. Sagar, if you or anybody in the team can post all the 3 links again, one by one. First is the essay link in the chat. So the link to the essay is right here. Next is the link to the Google Drive from where you will download your student ambassador badge to tag high school moms and 10 of your friends. So this is the link to the Google Drive. Next is the link to the application of Student Club, which is hsmstudent.club. You know what, guys? This website is also a one page. This club's website will also be designed by you only. We will not do anything in this club which you do not want. So go ahead, make the post of it. And until next time, when we meet with the 250 of you, the super fine 250 who will make it to this internship, give your best shot, stay home, stay safe, follow social distancing, sanitize your hands well, and keep following high school moms. My request to all of you is, you are the future. I'm just trying to help you find your direction. If you think we are doing a good job here, which I'm sure you think because that's why you have given your 2 hours to me. If you think we are doing a good job, please send a personal message to all your friends to follow us on Instagram. The list of 250 will be released on the Instagram on May 22nd. So please ensure you submit your essays by May 14th, 6 p.m. All the best.